Go.
Hey guys, we are at Limbus Restobar. It's located in the neighborhood of San Blas. Well, I am very honored to have this view. Actually, you know, I'm the only walking tour that finishes here with this view, and then we have, you know, sometimes when our clients are interested to come back here, they request a little wristband that we give in our tours. It's called the VIP wristband with Bloody Bueno. So you show this and you have 20% discount in food and cocktails and drinks and all night long, anytime, if you do the walking tour with Bloody Bueno. But basically, you know, we wanted to show you also how beautiful this city is, how big it is, and having a nice view, having a drink in the afternoon for the sunset. Today it's been raining a lot, but normally the sun goes that way, and before 5:15, 5:20 p.m. at this time of the year, right? And then here in the Limbus bar, you can also try their old, you know, draft beers, and this is some of them is 7 point something. This is you know, a beer that it has a flavor of mango and maracuya, and this is the pale ale. This is like the 4.9 alcohol, and this, between these two of them, these are the strongest we can find. I think this is 8 point something, and this is 9, and this is the quadruple. This is like the strongest beer they have here, and they won an award in what's the best beer in Cusco. The name of the company is called Bardock, and it's basically the same from Limbus company, right? So if you're in Cusco and you want to come and chill and have a good time with your friends, then I would highly recommend this place and have an amazing view. Okay, thank you.